How to troubleshoot AT&T Fiber Internet. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your AT&T service outages. Before troubleshooting your own equipment, check if there are any reported service outages in your area. You can do this by visiting the AT&T website or contacting their customer support. Heading towards next solution, you have to restart your equipment. Power cycle your AT&T fiber modem by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Allow a few minutes for the equipment to reboot. If you have Wi-Fi extenders or additional networking equipment, such as switches or access points, restart them as well. Heading towards next solution, check connections. Ensure that all cables connecting to your devices are securely plugged in. Check the Ethernet cable between your router and the wall jack, as well as any connections to your devices. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure that devices are within range of the Wi-Fi network and that there are no physical obstructions or interference sources. Likewise, check AT&T gateway settings. Access the AT&T gateway settings by typing its IP address into a web browser. Log in using the default username and password. Review the connection status, DHCP settings, and any error messages or alerts in the router's interface. If you have tried above steps and still experiencing issues, contact AT&T customer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot AT&T Fiber Internet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.